Gusto ko mupalit og property sa Bohol for investment purposes para pang passive income o say maayo.
Ang pinakamaayo nga option nag-agad gyud sa imuhang budget, target renters o location preference. Once you know that, dali ra nato man-narrow down ang 3 strong choices para nimo. First, condo units. Perfect if you want a resort-style living like your own vacation every day. Tourists love this for Airbnb and short-term rentals. Just note, if you need a parking, it is usually purchased separately. Second, house and lot. This is perfect for families and expats who want short or long-term stay. Mas dako ang space, homey ang feeling, and naanay parking space. Dako pod ang iyang potential income stream ani. Third, commercial units. Commercial leasing is a great way to earn a passive income. Ipa-lease nimo ang imong property with a 3 to 5 year contract or depende sa inyong agreement. This will give you a stable and long-term rental income while your tenant runs their own business. All options really depend on location. That's why I recommend properties in Panglao Island, in the city, or nearby areas like Baclayon. To make sure we find the best fit for you, just share your preferences. From there, I will guide you every step of the way. You can also visit our website, www.boholproperty.ph. I'm broker Chedi from Labella Realty, where beautiful living begins.